Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to fix the Windows Update error 0x80070103. This error typically indicates a problem with drivers or updates that cannot be installed correctly. Follow these steps to resolve the issue efficiently. Step 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 1. Press the Windows key. Plus. Announce to open settings. 2. Click on Update and Security. 3. Select or Troubleshoot from the left pane. 4. Click on Additional Troubleshooters. 5. Choose Pentpacket Windows Update and click on Run the Troubleshooter. 6. Follow the on-screen instructions and apply any recommended fixes. Step 2. Update drivers manually. 1. Press the Windows key. Plus and select Device Manager. 2. In Device Manager, expand the categories and look for any devices with a yellow triangle icon. 3. Right-click on the device and select Update Driver. 4. Choose Nice. Search automatically for updated driver software. 5. Restart your computer after updating the drivers. Step 3. Reset Windows Update components. 1. Press the Windows key. Plus X and select Windows PowerShell Admin. 2. In the PowerShell window, type the following commands one by one and press Enter after each. Bash netstop, wserv netstop, crypt svc netstop, bits netstop, server netstop, trusted installer, netstart, wserv netstart, crypt svc, netstart, bits netstart, server, netstart, trusted installer. 3. Close the PowerShell window and restart your computer. Step 4. Check for corrupted system files. 1. Press the Windows key. Plus X and choose the Windows PowerShell Admin. 2. Type the following command and press Enter. Bash sfc scano. 3. Wait for the scan to complete. If any issues are found, the system will attempt to fix them automatically. 4. Restart your computer. Step 5. Manually download updates. 1. Visit the Microsoft Update Catalog. https://www.catalog.update. Microsoft.com home.aspx. 2. Enter the specific update code you received with the error in the search box. 3. Download the appropriate update for your system architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit. 4. Install the update manually. Step 6. Clean boot your PC. 1. Press the Windows key. Plus Ctrl. To open the Run dialog box, type in misconfig and press and enter. 2. In the System Configuration window, go to the Indabia Services Kinalmia tab. 3. Check the box for Hide all Microsoft services, Home, then click on Disable all WAS. 4. Go to the PIA Startup Ginao tab and click on Open Task Manager. 5. Disable all startup items. 6. Afterward, return to the System Configuration window, click Cast OK window, and restart your computer. Step 7. Use Windows Update Reset Tool. 1. Download the Windows Update Reset Tool from Microsoft's official site. 2. Follow the instructions provided with the tool to reset the Windows Update components. 3. Once completed, restart your computer. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Windows Update error 0x80070103 on your PC. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Microsoft support for further assistance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with our latest tutorials.